Pagkaliwagan, Bianca Nicole T. Summa cum laude. Perez Renz Carlo P. Sarmiento Jerry.
At this juncture, ladies and gentlemen, we shall hear the valedictory address of Ms. Bianca Nicole D. Pagkaliwagan, Bachelor of Science in International Hospitality Management, specialized in Hotel and Restaurant Administration, summa cum laude.
To our beloved University President, Dr. Peter P. Laurel, Senior Vice President and Vice President for Finance, Mr. Frederick C. Badillo, Vice President for Academics and Research, Dr. Cecilia C. Pring, Vice President for Institutional Affairs, Mr. Paulo Laurel, Assistant Vice President for Student Services, Dr. Conrado I. Dotong, our esteemed guest speaker, Dr. Carol Mark Yee, Dean of the CITHM, Dr. Ryan Mejia, our former Associate Dean, Dr. Maria Feminez, academic department heads, professors, and staffs, proud parents, my fellow graduates, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant afternoon to all of you. I've always believed stories find us before we find ourselves. Growing up, I found mine in books. Every page reminded me that no chapter is meaningless. And maybe that's the reason why I try to live my life the same way. Planado, pulido, calculado. I believe that if I planned every step, worked hard enough, and did everything right, everything would fall into place. Looking back, I smile because I really thought life could be written that way. Back then, I also thought my future had been decided. I was about to enroll in accountancy at another school because it seemed like the practical choice. Pero ang totoo, hindi ko naman talaga alam kung anong gusto ko. Unlike any other people, wala talaga akong childhood dream. I took hospitality because I knew it would help me build my confidence and connect with a lot of people. At naging malinaw sa akin ang lahat when I had my internship. Alam kong maraming nilalang ang hospitality. But believe me or not, like any other profession, hospitality is not for the weak. I remember someone once told me, taga-ayos lang naman kayo ng kama, kaya yan aralin sa bahay. But what people don't know is that hospitality isn't just about making the bed, serving food, or welcoming guests. There's so much more into that. At para sa akin, hindi kailanman magiging madali lang ang pagiging mahusay at ang trabahong may puso. Mahusay at may puso. Looking back at my high school years, alam kong mahusay ako. I realized that I was so focused on getting good grades that I forgot to simply enjoy the journey. Ang alam ko lang, sobrang focus ako sa kung ilang points na lang para bumaba ako sa honor list. I stopped allowing myself to simply live and to use my heart. So before college began, ang pinangako ko sa sarili ko noon ay mag-enjoy, hindi maging active, at mag-loosen up. Bonus na lang kung magiging laude. And true enough, I am happier this way. One day, I simply realized that when people ask me about college, I no longer talk about the grades first. I talk about the people, the friends who became my comfort, and made ordinary afternoons unforgettable. The professors and internship colleagues whose lessons extended far beyond the room. Natutunan kong gumala, mag-cram, umabsent ng walang dahilan, lumove life, at higit sa lahat, maging isang simpleng estudyante. And maybe that's what growing up really is. Not becoming the person you plan to be, but becoming someone shaped by every person you've met, every mistake you made, every prayer you whispered, and every chapter you never expected to live. Even now, I still don't have all the answers. Pero minsan, hindi naman natin kailangan palaging may sagot. What's important is having the courage to keep moving, the humility to keep learning, and the conviction to stand by the values that define who you are. I believe those are the lessons LPU quietly lives with us. To keep learning, to lead with integrity, and to use whatever we have learned in service of something greater than ourselves. Standing here today is an honor I will always treasure. But if college has taught me anything, hindi ang medalya o titulo ang pinakamahalagang maiuwi ko. Alam ko that people will remember me hindi lang bilang isang VIA na honor student. They will remember me bilang isang kaibigan, kapatid, anak, and someone they could count on. And to me, that's a success far greater than any medal or certificate I could ever receive. To our Dean, Dr. Ryan, my professors and my mentors, Dr. Christine, Dr. Maui, Dr. Janzel, Dr. Leah, Ma'am Mel, my sports coaches, Dr. Hazel, and Attorney Montano Nuevo. Thank you for seeing more in me than my academic grades. Thank you for believing in what I was capable of, even beyond the room. To my internship families, the Format San Benito Kitchen Team, and City of Dreams Manila reservations, thank you for shaping me, and you are also part of this success. To my BSHRA, thank you for making this journey lighter than it could have been. To my friends, Shane, Abby, Miles, Kay, CJ, Pat, Pen, Renz, Rona, Kiana, Jarel, AA, and JC. Thank you for giving me a place where I could simply be myself. Thank you for making me laugh and for reminding me that I never had to carry every burden alone. You softened my heart in ways you may never realize. To my family, know that your love and care are felt and appreciated. And to my Lola, wherever you are right now, alam kong proud ka sa akin. And most especially to my mom and dad. Surprise! Ngayon lang po kasi nila nalaman na ako po ay summa cum laude at ako po ang magsasalita. So, Mami, Daddy, pwede ba kayong tumayo? Sila po ang aking mga magulang. Palakpakan naman po natin sila. Salamat, Mami at Daddy, sa lahat ng sakripisyo, sa bawat dasal. Kung sino at ako ngayon, at ano man ako ngayon, malaking bahagi noon ay dahil sa inyo. At sa lahat po ng mga magulang, kapatid, kaibigan, at mga guardians na naririto, palakpakan niyo din po ang inyong mga sarili. Ang mga diploma at medalya na natanggap po namin ngayon ay pangalan lamang namin ang nakasulat. Pero ito po ay malaking tagumpay po ninyo. Maraming salamat po sa pagmamahal, pagtitiis, at paniniwalang hindi kailanman nawala. And above all, thank you to our Almighty God, the one that made everything possible. My fellow graduates, in a world that constantly asks us for higher grades, better achievements, and bigger titles, I hope we never forget that our lives is not measured by how perfect our records look. Because one day, our transcript will become just another piece of paper. But the kindness we showed, the people we loved, the courage it took to keep going, and the memories we created, those are the things that stay. As Lyceans, may we carry veritas et fortitudo wherever life leads us. And may we always remember to live pro Deo et patria, for God and country. As we begin another chapter after today, I hope we continue to chase for excellence, but never at the expense of living. May we celebrate our achievements, but never let them define our worth. And may we always leave room for unexpected chapters, because sometimes they become the most beautiful parts of our story. After all, success is not merely a collection of medals, honors, or accomplishments. As what my favorite author said, real success is peace and contentment in the heart. I am Bianca Nicole B. Pagkaliwagan from the College of International Tourism and Hospitality Management, and it has been my honor to share this wonderful chapter of my story with you. Thank you, salamat LPU, and congratulations to all of us.
Ladies and gentlemen, our summa cum laude, Ms. Bianca Nicole D. Pagkaliwagan, Bachelor of Science in International Hospitality Management, specialized in hotel and restaurant administration. I think she deserves another warm round of applause. She's more than a pretty face, definitely. She has beauty and definitely brains. All right. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, our summa cum laude, Ms. Bianca Nicole D. Pagkaliwagan, Bachelor of Science in International Hospitality Management, specialized in hotel and restaurant administration. I think she deserves another warm round of applause. She's more than a pretty face, definitely. She has beauty and definitely brains. All right. Thank you.